Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about where is Earth's largest rainforest. We'll go in the story. South America's amazing forest is the largest on Earth. This is the rainforest. See, the green place is the rainforest. It stretches through 9 countries. I'll tell you where the countries are. The first one is Brazil. The second one is French Guiana. The third one is Suriname. The fourth is Guyana. The fifth is Venezuela. The sixth is Colombia. The seventh is Ecuador. The eighth is Peru. And the last is Bolivia. We'll go back to our story. Oh, hey! See? You see the Earth, and this is the rainforest. Tropical rainforest tropical rainforest grows near the Earth's equator. Did you see where is it near? Oh yes, it's near the Earth's equator. And it's raining all year. And the temperature is warm all year too. The amazing forests are the home of many animals. See, there are many animals. Let's see what the animals are. The amazing rainforest is packed with insects. More than 2.5 million different kinds live there. Did you think it's cool? Yes. We'll go to see the animals. The first one is blue morpho butterfly. See, this is beautiful. It is like the butterfly in Animal Crossing. I mean, in 动物森友会里面的那个彩奥小蝶。哦，咦，是 I just make a joke, but I will play it. Spiny Devil, Katydid is like this. My mom thinks its eyes is adorable. Haha, mom. Do you think it's adorable? If you think, give me a heart. If you don't think, give me a crying face. Now we're going to Titan beetle. Did you see the beetle? It is the biggest beetle in the earth. Okay, and the beetle is like the beetle on the trees. If you play Animal Crossing, you will see many beetles on the trees, and you will catch it. Then many people will buy it. We'll go to giant river otter. This is a big river otter, and it's really big. I think it's big. If you are 4 or 5 years old, the river otter was bigger than you. This is the last animal, Hoatlin. Do you think it's a chicken or a bird? You will tell me. If you think it's chicken, give me a heart. If you think it's a bird, give me a thumbs up. I'll check your answer if you are right. Okay, see, all the green places are the rainforest. Did you see the blue place? What did you think it was? Yes, it's the Amazon River. Did you think it's really long? Yes, but the Nile River was longer than the river, but the Amazon River was the biggest river in the whole world, but not the longest. Did you know all the things about rainforest? Yes, you do. Next time, we'll talk about where is the biggest rock on the earth. Are you excited? Yes. Next, you can watch Ryan video on the YouTube and give me me the thumbs up and watch it many times. Then many people will watch my video. Bye bye.